Okay, so we're going to make some southern sweet tea. And so you grab you a pot, and I like to use my small one. This one. Nice and clean. Hot.
Just came out the dishwasher.
Yeah, hot. It's drying. Okay, and then I like to use spring water. So we get some spring water and we pour it in our pot like this. It's about right there. Okay. Now, turn this on. We want to take it off about 170 degrees.
Okay.
It's supposed to be from 160 to 180. Do not go over 180 degrees. All right, and then I get
That's good enough.
Then I get a trivet over here and a bowl.
Papa, you should show what the trivet and the bowl look like.
You can see it right here, trivet and a bowl. Okay. Then I get a gallon-sized tea bag. And there's not one in here.
Oh,
No, leave it on there. All right, so let me go to the pantry and get some more tea.
Then make sweet tea. Then make that sweet tea. Oh my God! No. You mean, yeah.
as you do know, we can always edit out background
Right.
sounds, so it doesn't matter if he's over there screaming and shouting.
Of course, we don't want to do a lot of editing, though, right?
Yeah.
Make it difficult. We want to keep it simple.
I think the cameraman can talk,
Sure.
but we will have to edit out about
Because
us talking about
because
editing.
This channel is basically, I'm showing you and
How
the other
to-
grandchildren how to do things in the kitchen. No, we're not doing that right now, okay? Here, go get on that your thing there, and I'll be with you in a minute, okay?
Okay, we got the tea back in there.
Make sure make sure that's clean. Okay, so then I want to check the temperature on the water. It shouldn't be anywhere close yet. Yeah, it's 102 degrees. And then, let's see, I got that. And then what we want to do is we want to get a funnel.
Sometimes when Dad can't find the funnel, he just makes one out of a paper plate.
Yeah.
Seems to work pretty good.
Now,
Not the best.
I'm going to use sucralose this time instead of real sugar because I need a non-sugar one. I mean a non-real sugar one. So then we get a measuring cup.
I'm playing, Papa. I'm playing. I'm okay, Papa.
Now, real Southerners, they said they don't measure how much sugar they put in there. But for a gallon of tea, you basically need 2 cups of sugar.
You want that bite?
Now with sucralose,
Oh,
Spill the sugar all over. Fake sugar
it's
all
like-
over all the place.
It's like powder, so it kind of.
Hard not to spill.
Now this is supposed to measure.
So 2 cups?
This is 2 cups, but this is supposed to measure like, 1 cup to 1 cup of real sugar. But I still, for this, when using this, I'll just
How
kind
much?
of maybe put like a quarter to a half a cup more.
So 2.5 cups?
Yeah, of sucralose.
Yeah.
Now the thing about sweet tea though is that you make it the way you want it. If you like it sweeter,
Like McDonald's sweet tea.
yeah. If you make it sweeter, if you like it sweeter, then you make a
However,
sweeter tea. You add more sugar.
yeah.
And if you want it not so sweet, you put less sugar.
Or you can make it the kettle way.
Okay. Then Put the lid back on.
And shake it up.
Shake it up.
You've made tea so many times.
Okay. Then we're going to put that back on there. And I like to use a filter.
A coffee filter?
Yeah, you can use a coffee filter. And that just helps keep any
Stuff from
foreign, any little bits of tea or something like that. Just helps I like a mild tea, because if you want a stronger tea, you do not boil it longer to make it stronger, which will do that, but it won't taste very good. You add more tea bags. So if you want stronger tea, you add more tea bags.
Oh.
Not boil it longer. Okay, we're at 160 degrees right now.
Let's wait till like 74, 75.
We're going to go to
175.
179. Well, we're going to go to 170 degrees.
Yeah. Should be done in about not even a minute.
The other thing is that you'll read some instructions, and they said seep the bag for like 6, 7, 8 minutes, or sometimes even longer.
Yeah. I've seen a bag that had the instructions that said like 15 minutes.
Yeah, I only do it for 3.5 minutes. And like I said, if you want it stronger, add more tea bags. Don't cook it longer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're about at 170 degrees.
Turn that off, and then put it in the tea thing.
Now watch what we're going to do here. Just pour it over the tea bag. Now this is very hot. It'll burn you.
Yep, I'm pretty sure people know that it was boiling water.
Right, and then I'm just going to grab this part right here, and I am going to let it seep a little bit like this. Alexa, stop.
Your bread timer is done.
Yeah, you bet.
Alexa, set a tea timer for 3.5 minutes.
Let it seep for 3 minutes.
3 minutes and 30 seconds, starting now.
Okay, so we got that. My bread timer's off, so I'm going to stretch my dough here in a minute. We're going to make some. We're going to make a loaf of bread.
Papa, you want to do another video of the loaf of bread?
Yeah, we can. Okay, so we're just waiting on that right there, and then we're going to put it in here, and
Shake it up.
then we're just going to fill it the rest of the way. Now you can use spring water or even distilled water. Now I don't like filtered water because I just prefer spring water. And distilled water still works good for tea because it doesn't impart any flavor into it. But I like spring water. If you like filtered water, you can use filtered water. Hold on just a second. I'm on the.
Use any type of water you want.
Yeah, I'm on the phone. Hold on just a second.
No, I said no.
Okay. Yeah.
So talking bar.
Turn on the light.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go over there. There. There you go. Right over there. There's a light right there. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. I'm trying to make some tea right now, okay? Oh, okay. Alexa, turn on the bedroom light. Alexa, bedroom light on. There it is. Yeah, it looks. Alexa, how much time is left?
You have 1 minute and 30 seconds left on your tea timer.
Okay. Now we just wait for that to be done. Let's put another minute on the microwave for you, Granny.
Tea's fixing to be done.
About 1 minute. We're 1 minute away.
About less than 1 minute now.
Oh no.
About-
No.
1 minute, like 40 seconds. There's our dough.
Yeah, I gotta stretch that and then do another 30 minutes and stretch it again. So we're at 25 seconds.
Now we're just wait. And we're almost done. A few more seconds.
Alexa,
Your
stop.
tea timer is done.
Alexa, stop.
The tea time is good.
Okay, so then we just kind of,
Let the tea bag drip out
yeah.
and then eat it in the trash.
But see, I like a smooth tea. I don't like it bitter. I don't like a bitter tea.
And then we get that hot tea and then pour it into the distilled
then we're gonna
water.
start filtering it through here.
Papa, guess what?
Slowly, just don't dump the whole thing in there at once.
Guess what?
Yeah, you took it off.
Yeah, it's not green in there.
Okay, let that drain down a little bit.
Had you been draining down? Shake.
And then I don't have any more spring water, so I'm going to top it off with distilled water. Like I said, distilled or spring will work either way.
Or even sink water.
Well, yeah, but you know,
It wouldn't
if
taste
you really
as
want
good.
good tea, you want to use good water, good quality water. You don't want the water to impart any flavor into your tea. That's why coffee tastes better with good water, you know, spring water, distilled water.
Man, it has taken a long time to drain.
Oh yeah, it's gotta go through that filter. But you see, sometimes there'll be like little something in there that you don't want in there.
Oh, Papa, I'm gonna.
Almost done.
And then after all the steps are done, enjoy.
Exactly. It makes really good tea.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you make tea the right way.
Yep, tea the right way.
I've never had anybody complain about my tea.
Nope, never.
You should be able to fill it out and do the rest of it right there.
Yep.
There we go.
And then we just wait for that. Gonna have to edit out a lot of what he says.
Well, he just likes to talk.
No, it's just not like inappropriate.
When's the Oculus gonna be done?
About 10 more minutes.
10 minutes. I don't know,
Hold on a second. I'm recording a video right now.
Stab it in your butt.
That's just for your granny.
Soup.
Your granny don't feel good, so I'm gonna. She wants some soup.
Can I eat your bag?
What?
I sure have never complained about your tea. I made some horrible tea one time. I fixed
We're
it
not
though.
doing that right now, okay? Are you hungry again? Okay, I'll give you. I got something for you.
What is it?
Sometimes it likes to take its sweet time.
Yep, it is. We've waited a good 3 minutes for that to drain.
You can kind of help it along like this.
Squeeze it. But this only speeds it up. You can wait if you want. Sometimes you
Yes.
don't it's not like you have to put the coffee thing.
No, it just,
Helps.
It just helps. That's all. Yeah, definitely not required. It just helps. Okay. Then
We add some more water.
go to the top. Then you want to date it. I usually date the cap because believe it or not, it says you want to drink your tea within 24 hours. Probably wouldn't go more than 48 hours. But
When you say drink your tea, you mean like how long you can keep it, or how long?
that it stays the best. It's usually best to use it within 24 hours. Your homemade tea.
Ooh. Well, the camera just looked up at the ceiling. Finger slipped.
Like that splash little lemon juice in there.
Yeah, make half and half.
Well, half and half is like lemonade and
Oh,
tea.
yeah, lemon juice. And then enjoy.
It's good tea.
You want me to stop recording?